No more boring sandwiches. Try this next time. First, grab a chicken breast and dice it into small cubes like tiny winning dice. Then finely chop an onion into super small pieces. Don't forget the garlic clove, it adds magic to everything. Peel and mince it. Now, let's head to the stove. In a pan, add oil and cook the onion and garlic. Stir gently, don't burn them, but get that lovely golden color we love. When it smells amazing, it's time to add the chicken. If you're still here, you must be enjoying this, right? Comment, "I love chicken" below for a shout out in my next video. For seasoning, we'll add some salt to taste, ground black pepper, oregano, paprika, and your favorite special seasoning, the one that makes you feel like a star chef. Add a teaspoon of flour to thicken. Stir, 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 and add a cup of milk. Cook this for a few more minutes until it thickens and gets a creamy texture. And of course, we can't forget the cream cheese. Add a block of cream cheese and a cup of cooked corn. Cook this for a few more minutes and set it aside. Before we continue with the bread, grate some mozzarella or any cheese that melts beautifully. Put the chicken in a bowl and mix well with the grated mozzarella, letting them blend together nicely. See how it's getting better and better? If you're loving this so far, just wait till you see the final result. Take a few slices of sandwich bread and remove the crusts. Yeah, get rid of those boring edges. Roll out the bread with a pin until it's super thin. Add some chicken mix in the center, brush edges with milk, seal into empanadas using a fork. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs like you're making the world's best omelette. Dip empanadas in egg, then breadcrumbs for that irresistible crunch. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, bread on bread. I get it. Back to the stove, cook both sides till they're golden and crispy. No excuses not to try this recipe, folks. Rate it 1 to 10. Let me know what you think. If you've made it this far, you're probably drooling already. Tell me how yours turned out or where you're watching from. This is next level stuff, seriously.